In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Shopify to your bank account. By the end, you'll have your bank connected and your payout schedule set, so your earnings move from Shopify to your bank automatically and reliably. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has permission to manage payments, since bank details are a sensitive part of your store settings. Once you're in, head to Settings, then choose Payments. Here you'll see the Shopify Payments section, which is where your payout information lives. Click Manage to open the detailed settings. Under Payout Bank Account, you'll have two options depending on your situation. Select Add Bank Account if you're connecting a new account for the first time. Choose Change Bank Account if you're replacing the one already on file. When the form opens, carefully enter your bank account information. Take your time here. Make sure the account holder name matches the legal name on your Shopify Payments profile, and double check routing and account numbers for accuracy to avoid failed payouts. If your business uses a dedicated business account, use that rather than a personal one to keep bookkeeping clean. When everything looks correct, click Save. Next, choose your preferred payout schedule: daily, weekly, or monthly. Daily payouts get funds to you quickly but result in more frequent, smaller deposits. Weekly or monthly payouts consolidate deposits, which can make reconciliation simpler if you prefer fewer entries in your statements. Pick the cadence that best matches your cash flow needs and internal processes, then click Save to apply your settings. Here's what to expect with timing. After a sale is processed, Shopify typically sends the payout within 2 to 3 business days. Your bank may then take an additional 1 to 5 business days to post the funds to your account. Weekends and bank holidays don't count as business days, so a delay around those times is normal. Once your bank account is connected and your schedule is set, you don't need to do anything else. Shopify will transfer your earnings automatically based on the schedule you selected. That's the whole process. Log in, go to Settings and Payments, manage Shopify payments, add or change your bank account, save, choose your payout schedule, and save again. With those settings in place, your money will flow from Shopify to your bank without manual effort. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.